Time is an important resource, especially when running a business. How you use your resources oftentimes determines the overall quality of a product and its profitability. Here at Innovative Concrete, we have created a product that will help you save time, energy, and ultimately money. The Rapid Form Bracket is a much more efficient way of both turning slabs down on top walls and installing OSHA-compliant safety rails. See here as these two workers measure, cut, assemble, and tear down a 12-foot segment. It takes them almost 19 minutes for only 12 feet. There must be a better way. The Rapid Form Bracket can get the job done in a third of the time and also save you on not having to buy additional lumber. Look, just over 6 minutes, and that involves no unnecessary measuring or cutting of lumber. If you were to multiply this out over the entire perimeter of a foundation wall, it is clear that the savings of time and money would be massive. So why continue with old, inefficient methods when there's a smarter way of doing things with Innovative Concrete? We at Innovative Concrete have developed a heavy-duty, rapid form bracket for the use of form panels. Due to the skyrocketing cost of labor and materials, these brackets are designed to work with Simon's panels and Western aluminum forms. You can see how cost-effective it is in setting up and stripping out this 2x8 form. It takes a fraction of the time and with zero waste. We also can customize brackets for your own system. Call us today